Hello everyone, it's Ronke here for Niger Foodie. One of my absolute favorite things to eat is like cassava chips. In this version, I'm using my air fryer just to reduce some of the oil. So you want to get really good quality cassava. Just, cut it open so you can take out the peel. It's usually a little bit hard to kind of get in there, but once you get into that like first layer, you're able to easily remove the peel just like so. Your cassava is ready. You also want to cut it up so you can remove the hard core at the center. So there's usually a string that runs along the center. You don't want that in. You just want to take that off and then just cut it into like chips sizes. Wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris, and it's ready. So next, I'm just boiling it with some salted water, and you just want it to be fork tender. You don't want to overcook this. You just want it to be fork tender and it's ready. So once you see that it's fork tender, you're just going to pour it into a strainer to remove all of that excess liquid. And then I usually would add in some sort of oil. So you can use coconut oil like I'm using here, melt it before, don't do like Ronke. Or you can add in some olive oil or whatever kind of oil you prefer is fine. And then you just want to layer it into your air fryer. So I'm doing this at 375. And then you want to bake it until it's ready. And then extra spices, definitely up to you. It's good to enjoy at this point, but I like to add in just a touch extra of coconut oil and then my spice mix, and it's so good. This is perfect for entertaining. You can eat it as it is, or you can, have any kind of like dip that you prefer. It's delicious. If you've not tried cassava chips, you want to try it.